Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix SpringerLink login issues, institution access problems step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with SpringerLink, follow these simple steps. First, ensure that you are on the correct SpringerLink login page. Double-check the URL to confirm you're not on a third-party site. Enter your institutional email address in the username field carefully. Make sure to input your password accurately, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you receive an authentication error, verify that your institution provides access to SpringerLink. Visit your institution's library website to confirm access details. If access is granted, try resetting your password through the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your new credentials. If you are still experiencing issues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Reopen your browser and attempt to log in again. You may want to try a different web browser or device to see if the problem persists. If you continue to have difficulties, check if your institution's access has been recently updated or changed. Contact your institution's library support for assistance if needed. They can provide specific guidance on resolving SpringerLink access problems. As a last resort, reach out to SpringerLink customer support for additional help. Provide them with details of the issue for a quicker resolution. Follow these steps to regain access and continue your research without interruption. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.